We are told it takes Allie a total of 51.84 kilometers to get to work. She travels 6.07 kilometers by car, 1.3 kilometers by walking, and the rest by train. How many kilometers is Allie's train ride? Pause the video, have a go at it before we do it together. Okay, so if we were to add the train ride plus the walk plus the car, it should total up to 51.84 kilometers. Now we know what the walk is and what the car ride is. We just need to figure out the train ride. So another way to think about it is the train ride should be equal to the total, 51.84, minus the amount that we walk, And now what is that? That is 1.3 kilometers, minus 1.3. And then also minus the amount that we go by car. The amount that we go by car is 6.07 kilometers. So we just need to figure out what this is. So let's do that. And let's do this. Let's first subtract the 1.3 and then let's subtract the 6.07. So if I first try to calculate this part right over here, I have 51.84 minus, make sure to line up the place value, 1.3. All right, 4 hundredths minus nothing, minus 0 hundredths is 4 hundredths. 8 hundredths, make sure I pronounce it right. 8 tenths minus 3 tenths is 5 tenths. And then 1 minus 1 is 0, and then 5 minus 0 is 5. So this right over here is 50.54 kilometers, 0.54. Now let's subtract 6.07 from that. And I could actually just do that right over here. So let's say minus 6.07. All right. So we go to the hundredths place. We can't subtract 7 from 4. A little bit of regrouping. Let's take a tenth. So now we only have 4 tenths here. A tenth is the equivalent of 10 hundredths. So now we have 14 hundredths. And so we could subtract 14 minus 7 is 7. 4 minus 0 is 4. We have our decimal here. And we could do regrouping again, or you might just recognize that 50 minus 6 is going to be 44. If we wanted to regroup, we could say, hey, let's take a 10 here, and then that's 10 ones. 10 minus 6 is 4, and then you bring down those 4 tens. But either way, the amount that Allie travels by train is 44.47 kilometers.